What is up? I'm going on vacation. I'm so excited for this week. I'm headed to Road Atlanta right now for the MotoAmerica season opener. And then I'm going to go to Wrigley Field for the home opener. And then I'm going to MotoGP at Circuit of the Americas. So yeah, I'm so excited. So I'm going to go do vacation things.
Welcome to MotoAmerica.
Welcome to Sunday at Road Atlanta here at the MotoAmerica Superbike races. Racing is about to commence, so we're going to head that way and get a good spot. One thing that I'm getting at this weekend really fast is that I need a Grom. Really bad. I hit my step goal around 10 o'clock this morning. I've got a long way to go. So, yeah, to do. Get a Grom.
Thank you for watching MotoAmerica.
Holy crap, I'm exhausted. That was an epic weekend at Road Atlanta. But I am headed to Chicago to check out the home opener at Wrigley Field tomorrow. It's going to be awesome. All right, so I'm headed to the airport, so goodbye. Holy crap. We are in Chicago, and it's time to go to opening day at Wrigley. It's gonna be fun. I'm so excited. This is gonna be great. I'm about to leave the hotel now. I'm staying at the Palmer House Hilton Hotel in this beautiful room. So yeah, we're getting ready to head out. I've got a couple errands to run before the game. It's gonna be a great day. So let's do it. Let's do it. That was a weird way to say that. Yeah. So I'm just. Home opener at Wrigley Field. I am about 30 minutes outside of Austin, Texas, headed to my last stop of this epic vacation. And I'm really tired. I flew into Atlanta from Chicago yesterday morning, and I've been driving pretty much ever since. I'm absolutely exhausted. But I am going to make it. which is the important thing. My main goal was to make it to the Ducati Austin MotoGP weekend kickoff events party thing, and that starts at 6 o'clock. I'm going to be there right about 6:30, so fashionably late to this Ducati party, which I think is appropriate. I'm just going to check it out, enjoy it, relax a little bit, and then head to my hotel and go to sleep. Ducati Island? Yeah. Straight ahead? Okay.
Man, got it. Go. Up on your left.
Alright, thank you very much.
You know where you're going?
Not at all.
Right over there to the left of Ducati, right?
Okay, gotcha. Makes sense.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
Thank you. Alright, Ducati Island is already packed and it's only noon on Friday. This is going to be an epic weekend. Check out all these incredible bikes. This is crazy. I love this place. This is like heaven.
Ducati Island, I need you to make some noise! This is so special what's about to happen on this stage. I don't know if you really understand how special this is.
Today is a day that we will retire Nicky's number. The number 69 will no longer be used in competition in order to honor Nicky Hayden. We also we have a really special bike here that we've brought to the stage today. So I want to bring up a couple people here. I want to bring up the Hayden family, and I want to bring up Jamie Ruckalos of MotoCorsa. Come right in, guys. Everybody come on. You guys are a big, big family here. It's the first family of racing right here. This is what racing's all about, with the Hayden family, right? You guys agree? Awesome, awesome.
Hey, again, my name is Jamie Ruckalos, General Manager of MotoCorsa. And man, it's exciting to be here. This is amazing. Thank you, the whole Hayden family. This is really special, and if I get emotional, I'm sorry. A couple months ago, my team and I came up with this amazing idea that we're like, you know what, we want to do something really cool at Ducati Island to commemorate such an amazing kid, Kentucky kid. And we developed this awesome Panigale V4 based off of his 2013 GP replica bike. And I'm going to tell you, we have paid attention to all details. The paint job is all hand painted, no stickers. The triple clamp on the top actually has the 69 logo, and it's one of one. I'm done talking. I want to get to the bike, but here's what I want to do. I want to have some members of the Nicky Hayden fam come up, pull the blanket off this thing, please, and let's go crazy. Woo! So again, it's an $8,000 paint job. I know, I had to write the check for it. Full BST carbon wheels, a ton of Ducati Performance parts and accessories on it. It started life as a Panigale V4 in 2019, and let me tell you, it's far from that now. So please, take pictures of it throughout the weekend. Thank you again on behalf of MotoCorsa and Ducati DNA for making this happen. Thank you to all the fans here, and I'm going to hand it over again. Thank you.
Hey, so what do you guys think of that bike? Is that now Mickey or what, right? Hey, to find out a little bit more about the foundation and what the proceeds go to, I want to turn the mic over to Tommy Hayden, who heads up the foundation. Tommy, give us a couple words about the foundation.
Yes, we just created a foundation to try to keep Nicky's memory and legacy alive. Primarily, we're working with a lot of underprivileged kids around our local town of Owensboro, Kentucky. And at the moment, we're building a home. It's called the Nicky Hayden Home for Girls. We just broke ground on it, and it's for to help out a lot of kids that need the help. Along with some other buildings we're also starting too, and just a number of different charities around town, focusing mainly on kids, because that was always really special to Nicky, and he did a lot of stuff himself when he was here with us, and we're just trying to keep that alive and going.
Excellent, thank you, Tommy. So this next bike is really special. This one, for me, resonates quite a bit with Nicky. I first met Nicky when he came into the Ducati GP paddock, and I was like, wow, we got Nicky Hayden on our team. How cool is this? And Nicky is our family. It was always a part of our family. So this particular bike here really resonates home. I'm not going to say too much. Actually, I want the members of the Hayden family to take this cover off here. This one is really special. Roger, Tommy, Earl, Rose, please come over here. You guys. Jenny, come up too. Kathy to Rose. This bike is Nicky at its most right. So what do you guys think? This is Nicky Hayden's GP13. It's on loan to the family here in Ducati Island today for this special event. And for this particular bike, who wants to hear it run? Anybody want to hear this bike run? It was loud enough, was it? Oh yeah, that's what I'm saying. Yeah. Let's do a little celebration for Nicky on this, all right? Right there. Let's go. Let's give it up for the Hayden family. Nicky Hayden. Let's hear it again, Russ. Yeah. Woo! Big round of applause. Thank you, everybody. All right, everybody, enjoy the racers. Thanks for coming to Ducati Island. Here all weekend.
Wow, what a weekend of racing here at Circuit of the Americas. The MotoGP race was incredible. Alex Rins took his first victory in the MotoGP class on the Suzuki. That's been a while since the Suzuki has won a Grand Prix. But it was just incredible racing. Rossi came in second. I actually got to see Rossi lead a Grand Prix for several laps, so that was pretty incredible. It's just been awesome. I can't say enough great things about this track, the facility.
This is a parade lap. We are not one of the Ducati riders. We are not racing our friends. We are doing a nice, gentle parade lap.
I want to thank you guys for braving the day of the rain. Thankfully, nobody got washed away, and it looks like we're going to have a little bit of the weather cooperate with us, enough just to get around this track and show our pride of being Ducati fans. Also, we have some of our colleagues from Bologna. Actually, Claudio Domenicali, our global CEO, who came and joined us last year, is actually going to lead the ride again this year on a V4R. Plus, we have our head of sales, Francesco Malicia, and also our global CFO, Oliver Stein, that will be riding with us as well, and a bunch of the Ducati team all around. But you guys are part of the Ducati family, and it's amazing to be able to share this whole weekend and experience with you. So thank you so much. I'll see you guys out here in a little bit.
All right, we are on Circuit of the Americas. It looks like my vacation is almost over. I started at Road Atlanta with the MotoAmerica round, and that was just awesome. Then I moved on from there and went to Chicago to check out opening day at Wrigley Field, which was even more awesome. And then I came to Circuit of the Americas for MotoGP to finally see a MotoGP race in person. And it was everything that I hoped it would be. It was incredible. Had a great time. There's Ducatis everywhere, so that's awesome. But it was just a cool, unbelievable vacation. I can't say anything else about it. It's just unbelievable. But anyway, it's been fun. I gotta get on the road. Bye. The big question is, who was here this year for MotoGP at Circuit of the Americas, and who's gonna be here next year?